Hello students, I am Mrs. Yasmin, Assistant Teacher, Ghate S. Vidyalaya and Junior College, Uchande Muktaynagar. Welcome to our class, Standard 8, Subject English. Today we will learn the part of our lesson, Excuses. Here we learn why the Ritesh was late in the school. On page number 42, here we have lines of Ritesh. Without losing a moment, I ran after them. Ritesh is telling that without losing a moment, he ran after them. Mrs. Sen. And then you caught them and took them to the police station. Mrs. Sen is asking that. Ritesh, you caught them and took them to the police station. Ritesh, we couldn't do that, ma'am. They just vanished around the corner. All this happened so fast. Vanish, the meaning is here disappeared. Ritesh is telling that, Madam, we couldn't caught them. They just disappeared around the corner and all this happened very fast. Mrs. Sen. Then why are you late? Ritesh. That's not all. I realized that I had left my bag at the shop in the mad rush, so I ran back to get it. Ritesh is telling that he realized that he had left his bag at the shop in the mad rush, so he runs back to get it. Mrs. Sen. And it wasn't there, Ritesh. Mrs. Sen is asking Ritesh, bag was not there? Ritesh, no ma'am. It was all right, but there was a huge hairy brown dog sitting on it. I didn't know what to do. Ritesh is telling that, Madam, bag was there and it was all right, but there was a huge hairy brown dog sitting on it and he didn't understand what to do. Ritesh is telling about a huge hairy brown dog sitting on the bag. Mrs. Sen. Interesting. A dog on a bag in a shop. Ritesh. Yes, ma'am. Even the shopkeeper was surprised. He didn't know where the dog had come from. How that dog growled. We tried all kinds of things to make it move, whistling and clapping and showing him the stick, but he wouldn't bug, and I couldn't live without my school bag. The word growl, the meaning is here angry sound made by animals, and the word bug, the meaning is here move. Ritesh is telling that, Madam, even the shopkeeper was surprised. He didn't know where the dog had come from. That dog is making a angry sound, and we all tried all kinds of things to make it move. We whistle, clap, and show him stick, but he wouldn't buck, means he wouldn't move, and I couldn't live without my school bag. Mrs. Sen. But I see that you got your bag finally. Mrs. Sen is saying that, but we can see your bag with you. Ritesh. Yes, ma'am. Finally, the shopkeeper gave some biscuits. I offered the biscuits to the dog and lured him away from the bag. The word lured and the meaning is here attracted to do something. Ritesh is telling that, yes ma'am, finally the shopkeeper gave some biscuits to him and he offered that biscuits to the dog and dog attracted toward the biscuits and he come near him away from the bag. Mrs. Sen. Okay. So let's say that accounts for 15 minutes. Accounts for reports what happened. Mrs. Sen is telling that you are telling us all these things. I think all these things happened in 15 minutes and you are so late in the school. Here we completed this part of our lesson and the meaning of new words. Now a question is here. What make Ritesh go back to the shop? The answer is here. He had left his bag at the shop in the mad rush. It made Ritesh to go back to the shop. Now the second question is here. When did the dog finally leave the school bag? Answer is here. When Ritesh offered the biscuits to the dog and lured him away from the bag. In this way, here we completed this part. We will see the next part in the next video. Thank you.